Hey everyone, Luke here. Today I'm going to be talking about Earth2.io. Recently, I've been seeing this on TikTok. It's a website where people have been buying and selling virtual land and making money off. I decided to look into it. There has been some debate if it's a scam or not. So on the surface, Earth2 looks to be a 1-for-1 scale of the Earth. You can purchase these tiles that represent ownership of the virtual land. Each tile in each country originally starts at 10 cents per tile. As demand increases and supply decreases, the price for each tile will start to increase as well.
It's all a fugazi. You know what a fugazi is?
Fugazi. It's fake.
Yeah, fugazi. It's a wazi, it's a woozy, it's a fairy dust. It doesn't exist. It's never landed. It is no matter. It's not on the elemental chart. It's not real.
All tiles are originally owned by Earth2, the developers and owners of the website. However, once you purchase the tiles, then you can sell them to other users. I think the owners of the website want the tiles to go up so they can make the most money off it, since they have the majority stake in all the tiles. They have the most to gain here. So on the website it says there are 6 different ways you can make money. The first way is through land value. This is just the buying and selling of land. However, once you buy it, you'll have to find someone else to sell it to before you can actually make money off it. And once you have $50 into your balance, you can withdraw it. The second way is through land income tax. So from the website it states, income you receive on the land you own on future sales of the land in that country. The more land you own in that country, the more the income tax will be. So this is just basically saying you'll receive income on future sales of the tiles in that country. The third way is through referrals. Currently there's a 5% referral cash back whenever you buy land. So for example, if I decide to buy 10 tiles of land and I use a referral code when I check out, that person will receive 5% cash back and I will receive 5% cash back as well. So it's a win-win on both parties. The fourth way is by resources gathered. Now this isn't available now, but the developers say it should be available in late 2020-21. So according to the website it states, when users find loot, treasure, or resources on land you own, you'll be given a portion depending on what land class it is. The fifth way is by advertisement income. The website says when advertisements are delivered on land you own, you'll be given a portion of the revenue. Now this isn't available right now, but the developers say it should be in the future. So the sixth way is by digital assets. When users build on land you own, you will receive a portion of those digital assets. Now this isn't very clear because we don't know what this will entail, because we're at the beginning phases right now. But developers should come out with information on this soon whenever we reach the later phases. So that brings up my next point. Right now there are 3 phases to Earth2.io. We are currently in phase 1. Phase 1 is basically just the buying and selling of the land and tiles. Now this is the virtual land, so you don't actually own anything in physical, tangible items. This is all online and virtual. Now phase 2 will entail resources being released. The website says it will involve the ability for a virtual land to generate different resources that will be vital for building and economic purposes in Earth2. Now we don't really know a lot of information because we're in the phase 1 right now, but maybe the developers will have more information for us soon on that. Now for phase 3 we actually have even less information on this because we're still on phase 1 and we have even less information than phase 2. So right now we don't have a lot, but I'll tell you what the website states. It states, in phase 3, users will be given first access to Earth2 terrain. There's not much information besides that, but I assume it will tell like a VR type of experience, but other than that I'm not sure. So the top countries at the time of this recording are the United States at $36.98 a tile, Italy at $9.66 a tile, United Kingdom at $7.88 a tile, Germany at $7.29 a tile, and Australia at $6.41 a tile. So as you can see here, the United States is the most expensive to buy tiles at. So a lot of users right now are buying tiles in other countries that are less expensive. Now is Earth2 a scam? I don't really think so, but it could be. Here's the reason why I don't think it is. Here they have several different phases where they are planning on releasing more and more features on the game. However, they could close up shop tomorrow. And another thing is they owned all the land originally, and they own most of the land still right now. So even as prices go up, they are still receiving money from users. So it could be a situation where they could be trying to increase the prices as users join the website, and that does make sense. However, since the developers are receiving a monetary gain from selling these tiles, they want to make the most money they can here.
Name of the game? Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
Because these developers have ownership of these tiles, the more tiles they sell, the more money they will make. Now, they don't receive the majority of the profits when other users sell the land. When users sell land, there's usually an improvement tax where the developers receive money from that, and they give that with the income tax from previously mentioned. So the developers could probably make a couple $100 million here by selling each of the tiles because they're so small, but the price is so expensive for each tile, especially in the United States at $36 a tile. However, the developers here have phases that they have planned out. So that shows that they are thinking ahead on what the possibilities could be for the future of the website. I was a little bit curious on how everything worked, so I decided to buy a little bit of land on the game. I bought 16 tiles in the Turks and Caicos.
You guys smell that? Ah, that's the smell of being rich.
I'll put a picture of the tiles I own on the screen here, and you can see for yourself. So I would compare this to investing in a startup. If you don't know, startups quickly go in and out of business. Only put the money that you're willing to burn into this website because it could go bankrupt or it could disappear. Think that this money you're willing to burn. So do not put your life savings, do not put any money that you need to get day by day or to survive. So if you're curious about the website, I'll put a link in the description. Other than that, I think that wraps up this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.